Alright, I got my Water Blaster 10,000 plumbed in here. Had a little setback. The water in the bottom of my skimmer been sitting there about 10 days and it was kind of putrid. Pumps at a little bit of an angle, just the way I've got it hooked up with this vinyl tubing here. The braided is kind of stout, so I'll fix that when I get it plumbed in. This is the first fire. Man, that is quiet. Now just add 2 gallons of fresh water to about 10 gallons here, so I've got a lot less salinity, and I'm going to have some bigger air bubbles. I can hear them hitting. That's nice and quiet. I did get a ball valve for my skimmer return, a gate valve, so I'll be able to adjust it better. Yeah, I think that's just as quiet as the 7,000, so I'll probably go ahead and get another one.